How to request a time off on Amazon A to Z. So what you're gonna have to do is go ahead and log into your account, then go to your schedule. So in your schedule, go to the time section and you should be able to see the request time off option. So go ahead and press on that. What we're gonna do right now is doing a request. So you're gonna have to choose what type of time off you want to use. So choose whichever fits your situation the most. And for example, let's say bereavement. So press on that option. You're gonna have to put in specific details on depending on what option you chose. So if you want multiple days, toggle that on. Then you will get the option to choose a start date and an end date. So just go ahead and put that in. Then press on next. So once you've done that, you'll see how many hours will be used, and you're gonna have to choose a family member, which is specific to this option that we chose. So you can go ahead and press next as well, but you can toggle this option as well, receive a follow-up call from HR about this time of request if you want. So after this, you can go ahead and put in more information, but after all of that, just go ahead and press on submit, and you will pretty much have successfully submitted a request for a specific time off. Then just go ahead and press on done and just wait for their response if they accept it or not. But that's pretty much how you request a time off on Amazon A to Z. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.